Hi, I'm Stephanie, the manager here at Sun Outdoors North Moab. Thanks for booking your stay. Let me show you around. This park is pretty unique because it's one of the oldest parks in Moab. We've done a bunch of construction on the park. Everything from below ground up is brand new. Feel free to book one of our brand new vacation rentals. We have a couple of different styles with those. We have a bunch of pull-through RV sites that come with full hookups. We have camping tent sites that are great because they come with a canopy, so your tent's covered, which gives you a little bit of protection from all the elements. We conveniently have 2 beautifully renovated bathhouses that are rebuilt from the ground up. We have laundry on site for our guests to use that's open 24 hours. And we're lucky enough to have a restaurant just right next door. We have 2 dog parks here on property. One that's kind of more of a smaller dog run and one that's a bigger space, which is great for your pup to meet some new friends. Some of the great activities here on site is utilize our great pool, our brand new playground. And we also have a gas fire pit that's open on the other side of our welcome center. There's tons and tons to do here in Moab. There's a bunch of off-roading trails that you can do. There's people who do rock climbing, and you can do that either on your own or you can do it as an expedition. Tons and tons of rafting on the Colorado River. You get really easy access to Arches National Park. It's just down the road about 5 minutes. And there's also Canyonlands National Park, which is 2 different areas you can reach from here. The Island in the Sky District is only 45 minutes away, and the Needles District is about an hour and a half, but they're beautiful and very different, so you have to see both. Our whole team is here to make sure you have an unforgettable stay, like our guest service supervisor, Stacy.
If there's anything else I can do to make your stay even better, please come find me in the Welcome Center.
Check out the Sun Outdoors app, available for download, where you can book your next stay and plan your upcoming adventure. We look forward to having you here at Sun Outdoors North Moab, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.